Secret agents love the dark. It's where they make their mark. In the dark, in the night, there are cool things to uncover. In the dark, out of sight, what will we discover?
In the dark, in the night, he thinks a stranger with a friend. It's alright, we can bravely face the danger.
In the dark, in the night, there are cool things to uncover. In the dark, out of sight, what will we discover? Secret agents love the dark. It's where they make their mark. Secret agents love the dark. Secret agents love the dark.
In the dark, in the night, he thinks a stranger with a friend. It's alright, we can bravely face the danger.
In the dark, in the night, there are cool things to uncover. In the dark, out of sight, what will we discover? Secret agents love the dark. It's where they make their mark. Secret agents love the dark. Secret agents love the dark.
Okay. It might be a little problem.
Good luck with the traffic. Ha! It's nothing but grassy fields and blue skies out here. Right, Sheep? Cracked couplers! Where'd all this traffic come from?
You've got this, Percy.
I think I can. I think I can. I think I
Can't. Aw, thanks, Cal. Any chance you want to be my new BFF? Bovine friend forever? Traintastic! Although I am a little worried about Thomas. He took the line I used for my mail route, and you would not believe how jammed it gets this time of day.
Is the traffic always this bad? Ha ha ha! You are listening. I don't need Percy. It's just you and me, sheepy old pal. Which ain't so bad. Eh? Percy would have laughed at that. Who am I kidding? I miss my best friend.
Thomas, why haven't you dropped your delivery off yet?
Isn't it obvious? I'm stuck in traffic.
Wait, where's Percy?
He, took a little detour.
Don't tell me you two haven't made up yet.
Well, he started it. Or maybe I did. I wonder if he's having as much trouble as I am.
Thanks for trying, Cal. But it's no use. I'll never get this delivery done without my best buddy, Thomas.
What am I going to do, Nia?
Why don't you just ask Percy for help? This is his mail route after all. He'll know a way around it.
I can't. We're not exactly friends anymore. And besides, he's probably made it to Normanby without me.
So, if Percy was nearby, would you ask him for help?
Yeah.
Good, because Percy's right over there.
Wait, what?
Percy!
I was really hoping Thomas wouldn't see me.
Can you help Thomas get out of this traffic?
We're still not talking, but if someone wanted to avoid the traffic, they could back up a few feet and take that siding over there to get to this track.
Thomas, it's right here. Thanks, Percy! You both are being silly.
Sandy, can you help me with my... Whistle.
Whoa, I've never heard a whistle make that sound before. That is... Ooh, wow.
Massive, but I'm on it. Try it now. Great. I am ready to hear my old...
Wow, this really is a more massive deal than we thought.
For a job this big, I'm going to need my extra special tools. Meet me at the sheds later. Okay. See you then.
Go easy on that totally, completely broken whistle.
I know you want it to be fixed, but it's just a little longer, and then you can get your peep back. Come on, let's finish our mail route.
I think you should finish this delivery on your own.
But what about Percymus?
You feel like yourself again, and that's great. But I won't until this is fixed. Just go on without me.
Well, if that's what you want, I'll meet you back at the sheds. By that time, I'm sure Sadie will have fixed your whistle.
If she can even fix me. Otherwise, I'll never peep again. See? Percy doesn't need me. He can toot and carry the mail by himself. Troublesome trucks! Should be trouble making trucks. Uh-oh! One of the troublesome trucks is headed right for Percy! I have to warn him! He can't hear me! But with your help, maybe he will. Okay, just follow the number one bird. Percy, stop!
Thomas?
What did you say?
Harold, Thomas and Percy. Hello, chaps. Over.
Harold! Harold the helicopter? Wow, it's so cool to see you.
Roger that. Right back at you. Over.
First Mate Percy, we're coming to a fork in the ocean. Let's go left towards the cows.
I think he really wants you to look at those cows.
Uh-huh, yes. Thomas and I are delivering a submarine.
The left fork. We're going towards the cows.
They are nice cows. Well, I've got a delivery at the docks. Over and out.
Bye, Harold. See you soon. Aw, he can't hear me over his rotors.
Huh? Percy?
Ow!
Are you okay, Percy?
Sorry, Captain. Couldn't hear you over Harold's rotors.
Yeah, I couldn't hear you either. His rotors are loud. Harold is amazing, though.
Absolutely. But we need a way to communicate so we'll understand each other if it gets loud again.
Even if it's loud, our whistles are louder. How's this? 1 peep will mean yes, and 2 will mean no.
Great.
And 1 long peep or toot for faster, and 2 for slower.
Right. Got it.
And 4 quick blasts if you want to get super fast, and a blast and a half if you want to go, like, a little bit faster, and also 3 quick peeps if you want to stop, and then, if you want to go again, then...
That's a lot to remember.
So, you good?
Well...
Great! Let's get back on track. First Mate Percy, let's go fast through that tunnel. 1 long peep.
Okay, that was 1 long peep. That means go faster.
He understood me. Okay, let's do this. Maybe Percy can't hear me on the other side of the mountain. I gotta try something else. Oh!
Huh? Oh, fun! Thomas sent up a stop signal. A stop signal? Stop!
Phew.
Dum-de-dee-dee-dum. Another quiet day on the river, eh, Thomas? So quiet.
Come on!
Our passengers have never seen anything like this before.
Awesome! We're almost to the seashore. No more dark tunnels.
Nope, nothing but beautiful scenic countryside.
Huh? The bridge is up.
And no electricity to bring it down.
What will we do? Kana, dear, can you do something?
Kana, are you able to connect to the bridge like you did to the tunnel?
Electric idea. Let's find out. I can plug in and power the bridge. No power, no problem.
Now that was electric, Kana. Let's roll. Kana, is something wrong?
The bridge is down, but now so is my battery. I'm out of power. It's okay. Go on to Vickerstown. I'll be fine.
Grab on, Kana. Everything's connected, right? Now you're connected to me, and I'm going to Vigorstown.
Way to go, Percy! On the left is the Vickerstown Lighthouse. It's dark right now, but when it's lit up, it's...
Spectacular!
Incredible!
Just beautiful. Thank you. We definitely got our scenic route as promised, Thomas.
Well, the electricity is all connected, but so are we. We all did it together.
Yep.
I'm sure this tour will be the highlight of their visit. Oh, Annie, I made a pun. Oh, you did. Good one, Clary.
Hi there. I'm all charged up and ready to go.
Come on, why don't we all connect for the ride home? Hook me in.
I'll lead the way.
Electric. Percy, there's no more flags inside your mail car.
No more flags, but I can't do my piston pop in the parade without one.
Maybe we dropped it on the way? We'll just have to backtrack along Percy's mail route. It's got to be there somewhere.
Then I'm coming with you.
I'll head to the parade and save us all a good spot. See you all soon.
Great, let's go.
It's the end of the line. And we checked with everyone on your mail checklist on the way here.
Then it's got to be somewhere here.
Let's look around. 2 if you see something orange.
Not over here.
Not here either.
Did you find it, Percy?
Sorry. I thought I saw it, but it was just the side of Nia.
Where could it be?
There it is. Oh, no. I got it.
He's got my flag. Huh? Wait! Diesel! Oh, so you want to play? Can't catch me. Woohoo! Oh no! He thinks we're playing train tag. Diesel, wait! You don't understand.
Diesel's heading for that tunnel. Where did Diesel go?
Look! Over there! They're good.
He's good.
But we're better. Diesel, stop! Never! Told you can't catch me. That away! Follow that flag! Hey, where are you going? Guess I won.
I guess delivering the sailboat to the farm wasn't a total disaster.
Yeah, the cows sure do like it.
Sorry, guys. You're gonna have to move.
Okay, so before we went to the farm, we hit the rough tracks and had to slow down.
Good catch. Let's go fast. And by fast, I mean slow.
Backwards day! Not so bad if you go slow.
Yeah, I mean, no. Busted bolts. The switch is still set to take us back the long way.
Then we have to flip the switch so we can stay on the main line.
How are we going to do that backwards? And with a tree on your track?
I've got an idea. Got it! Now for the switch.
Wow, that was totally awesome!
Now we're track on back.
Backwards day! Yeah!
Just in time for the sunset cruise. Now, where are the cows?
Come on, guys. Let's move!
All off board, cows.
Home on the range.
Well, looks like you fixed everything. Bad job. By which I mean good job, of course, because it's a backwards day. Well, I suppose you can have fun and work at the same time, hmm?
Oh, I'm glad we got everything fixed. But I'm also glad backwards day is over. Oh, I'm beat.
Me too. Good morning, Thomas.
Good morning, Percy.
Backwards day.
That dragon's mine. I say thee, nay, my good knight. Aww.
The Green Knight is ready for battle! Ha ha ha! Gotcha! Done gotcha.
The Black Knight is invisible behind his smoke screen. Huzzah! I will catch thee, Blue Knight. Huh? Lost 'em. Dragon spotted!
It's my turn.
Gotta find a way to... Get away! It still has its dragon.
Gotcha. Hey,
Where's the dragon?
It's dragon!
Oh no! Where'd it go? Phew! It stopped atop that hill.
Person to capture the dragon is a noble knight.
I'm definitely going to be the noblest knight.
Wait! No! The glory shall remain mine! Whoa! Runaway dragon!
Run away from the dragon!
Now's my chance to capture the dragon once and for all.
Me too! Yeah! No! It's my job!
Come back, dragon! The dragon's getting away!
Huh? Oh no! It's gonna hit those trains!
Not if the orange knight can help it.
Sandy, can you help me with my... whistle?
Whoa, I've never heard a whistle make that sound before. That is... Ooh, wow.
Massive, but I'm on it.
Try it now! Great! I am ready to hear my old...
Wow, this really is a more massive deal than we thought.
For a job this big, I'm gonna need my extra special tools. Meet me at the sheds later.
Okay.
See you then.
Go easy on that totally, completely broken whistle.
I know you want it to be fixed, but it's just a little longer, and then you can get your peep back. Come on, let's finish our mail route.
I think you should finish this delivery on your own.
But what about Percymus?
You feel like yourself again, and that's great. But I won't until this is fixed. Just go on without me.
Well, if that's what you want, I'll meet you back at the sheds. By that time, I'm sure Sandy will have fixed your whistle.
If she can even fix me. Otherwise, I'll never peep again. See? Percy doesn't need me. He can toot and carry the mail by himself. Troublesome trucks! Should be trouble making trucks. Uh-oh! One of the troublesome trucks is headed right for Percy! I have to warn him! He can't hear me! But with your help, maybe he will. Okay, just follow the number one bird. Percy, stop!
Thomas?
I'm going as fast as I can.
Sorry, I'm just so excited. Can I help you get down sooner?
Really? That'd be great. Can you take this big bulb over to Vickerstown Lighthouse?
No problem.
Thanks, Thomas. Switch on 1, 2, 3.
Great. See you at the docks in a little bit.
Great. Oh, and don't use the shortcut through Crumble Canyon. It's supposed to be really windy and crumbly today.
Crumble Canyon. Got it.
Thanks, Thomas. I thought Percy was delivering this light bulb today.
He was. I'm just helping him out so he can meet the rest of us at the docks when the telescope gets here. That's Bulstrode. He's got the telescope. You got this, Collie?
Yes,
Great! I gotta get to the docks. See ya!
Thomas!
I can't wait to see that telescope. I know. I'll take a shortcut through Crumble Canyon. What did Percy say about Crumble Canyon again? Something about it being windy? Whoa! And crumbly? Oh, well... Hey, guys. Is the telescope here yet?
Not yet. Bulstrode should be here any.
Thomas, what happened?
What do you mean?
Thomas, I told you not to cut through Crumble Canyon.
So that's what you said. I knew it was something like that.
You look terrible. Like, really terrible.
Huh? Pfft, I just got a little dinged up. No biggie.
Thomas, what on earth? You have to get to Tidmouth right now.
Right now? But I want to see the new telescope.
No buts. You have to get repainted immediately. You don't want to rust, do you?
Rust?
I'm so glad you came to see me. You've got a bad case of the scrapes.
Aww. I can't believe I'm going to miss Cranky unloading the new telescope.
Scratches and dings do turn to rust if you don't fix them, Thomas.
And you don't want rust, Thomas. Rust is the worst. I hear it's super itchy and scratchy and really uncomfortable.
Oh, it is. You should be fine, Thomas. See? Got you all fixed up with a fresh new coat of paint. Good as new.
Here we are. The overnight stop.
The great outdoors. No roof over our chimneys.
What?
No wall at our rear buffers.
I didn't even think of that. The music of the forest all around us. I'm afraid to sleep away from home.
Why didn't you tell us before?
I didn't want you to think I was a scaredy train.
It's okay to be nervous. I used to get nervous sleeping away from home.
Me too. You did?
Totally. And camping out in the woods can seem scary at first, but it can also be a lot of fun.
That's right. There's a ton of fun camping games we can play. Really? Like what?
Chug, chug, chug your train gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is full of steam. Wow! Look at those constellations, Percy. That's Trinus. Oh, Engine Eye. And there's the little steamer.
I think you mean Taurus, Gemini, and a Little Dipper. You know what? I think I'm actually beginning to like camping. Glad to hear it, Percy. Oh, because I think it's time to go to sleep. Sleep?
Yep. We've got another long day tomorrow, so we better all get some rest so we can make our deliveries.
Good night, Thomas. Good night, Nia.
Good night, Percy.
Chugga. Chugga, 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 chugga. Thomas! Hey, Thomas! Psst. Thomas! Thomas!
Yeah, Percy?
Oh, good. You're awake.
I am now, but shh. We don't want to wake Nia.
Too late.
What's going on, Locomigo?
There's all kind of weird noises out here.
Like that! That's just the creaky crick of a little cricket.
We were just chasing a rainbow.
Yeah. Every time we get close, it runs away.
Wait, did this rainbow have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet colours?
Have you seen it?
Well then, you're closer than you think.
There it is! Come on, let's go see what's at the end of that rainbow.
What is at the end of a rainbow? Maybe it's a huge bushel of whistles. Hey, wait for me!
Woohoo! Nothing can stop us now. Wow! I've never seen that mountain before.
Yeah, I can see the rainbow, but I don't see a way up the mountain.
These tracks just go around the mountain, not up.
It's hopeless. Without tracks to the top, we'll never reach the rainbow. It's impossible.
What's impossible?
There's a rainbow up there that we're trying to catch.
Cool. It looks like we could get to that track from behind those bushes.
You found the secret entrance.
I did? I did.
But how do we get over there? The tracks are broken.
Don't worry. One rainbow railway coming right up.
Have no fear, Sandy and Carly can make your problems disappear. A clack clack here,
And snap, snap there.
here a clack, there a snap, everywhere a clack snap.
Hurry! The rainbow's disappearing.
Here a clack, there a snap, everywhere a clack snap.
Here's your new connector rail from Sandy and Carly.
Yeah,
Thanks, Sandy. Wow. Come on, everyone. Full steam ahead.
What's at the end of the rainbow? Hey, it's gonna be a great surprise. What's at the end of the rainbow's bend? You won't believe your eyes. Hey, it's just ahead now. We cannot wait to see the end of the rainbow. Whatever will there be?
The end of the rainbow. Ooh. Look at the clouds.
Awesome.
Yeah.
My eyes spy something black and white.
Is it a cow?
Moo betcha. Your turn.
My eye spies something silver and super twisty.
Is it those twisty twirly tracks? Uh-oh. Twisty twirly tracks? Won't those be difficult to cross with our colossal cargo?
There'll be a breeze if we do it together.
A little bumpy there.
Good thing this team is going slow.
Hey, Percy, I want to play too. My I spy.
Wow, those tracks were chugga too fun.
And you were right. It was a breeze when we took it nice and slow.
Wait up! Slow down! I don't think they heard us. I mean you! Whoa! Rusty rail spikes! Whoa! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on! Whoa! Whoa! Phew, that was a close one.
Yeah, and it was kind of exciting too. Though, we should be more careful if we want to get this cottage delivered in one piece.
Yeah, you're right. I was thinking more about Percy's My I Spy game,
My I Spy?
which we can catch if we cut through that tunnel. Come on!
I just don't get what the big deal is. Why can't we play our own game of My I Spy? Here, I'll start. My I Spy something black and white.
Is it... that skunk?
Skunk!
Such big stink in such a little skunk. But you should see your face right now.
My face? You look like you've seen a green ghost.
Come on, we still have time to catch up to Percy. Wow, the old mine is even older and minier than I thought it would be. And darker. And scarier. That's right, I've got Percy's lucky bell. With this bell by my side, nothing can go wrong. Let's do this. That was close. What? Huh? So close. All right. Whoa! Phew. There's the platform. I made it. Thomas! Maybe it doesn't have a bottom. I did it! I made it through the mine! And it was all because of Percy's lucky bell. I sure am feeling lucky, 'cause I've got this bell with me. I don't need to feel afraid, won't bend or break or fall, because I've got a special bell that takes care of it all. I sure am feeling lucky, 'cause I've got this bell with me. Caves, monsters or broken track, I think I'll be okay. This lucky bell sure has a knack for saving every day. I sure am feeling lucky, 'cause I've got this bell with me. Percy gave this bell to me. I'm lucky he's my friend, so I'll take care of Percy's bell until the very end. I sure am feeling lucky, 'cause I've got this bell with... Uh-oh. Phew. Oh no! Percy's bell! I Thomas promised Percy I would be really careful with this bell. But I wasn't. What am I gonna do? Just tell Percy the truth, and I'm sure everything will be fine. Huh? Hope that doesn't mean my luck is changing. Easy, Wheels. Easy. Whoa! I sure am feeling unlucky without Percy's bell with me. We'll do it together, like roller coaster cars.
And you're our passenger, nice and safe in the middle.
Shall we give it a try?
This is kind of cozy. Sure.
Up, up, up the hill we go. Click, 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 click. Ready?
I can do this. I'm safe in the middle. It's not so bad. I take it back. This is terrible.
That wasn't so bad, was it?
That was totally awesome. The wind in my face, my boiler was bubbling. It was really scary, but not really. But really, really, but not. My wheels are still shaking. What's next?
This is the darkest, scariest tunnel in Sodor. It'll be just like the Screen Tunnel on a real roller coaster.
But this isn't so dark or scary.
How about now?
Oh, are we done screaming?
You're pretty good at screaming.
Yeah, I've had a lot of practice. That was like flying in the dark, only scarier and more fun. What's next?
Come on, you're going to love this. Yeah, we all get scared. It's a feeling that's shared. You can go slow, just watch your courage grow. Face any fears
Without shedding any tears.
And just to be clear,
We're your friends, and we're here.
welcome to the biggest, twistiest, steep turniest tracks in all of Sodor.
That sounds like Cannonball Curve.
Yep, it's a big curve like a roller coaster. I know you're a little scared, but we're right behind you. So if you...
I know. Let's go.